Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to this channel. It's your boy Sammy One Trades, and it's another weekend. I'm at church, as you can see. I'm at church with my fellas. Okay, so this week, this video I'm going to give you a weekly recap of how my trades have been, of how I've been trading this week, my entries, my exit, and mindset behind trading, and each and everything. So be with me until the end of this video. I'm sure you're going to understand the mindset, and as I'm preparing myself to become a funded trader, so watch me till the end. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to ask you to subscribe so that you're not going to miss each and every video that I'll be dropping in this channel. Yeah, be with me. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm in the Equity Age website. This is a prop firm from United Kingdom, as they have got a nice offer. And let me just come and show you here. As you can see, this is the dashboard, and there's some couple of payouts that I've been doing to the people. Okay, let me just go down. You can see the multiple of selection. You can choose a legacy, Swift, instant, and flagship, but the most affordable one is Shift. Yeah, Shift two-step. I prefer two-step, and let's go straight for 5k. As you can see, it's a $22, but they have this code, and also their rules are not, they're just cool. Like phase 1, minimum of 2 days. Okay, maximum daily loss is 4%. Maximum loss it is 8, which are just good profit targets. Phase 1 is 8, phase 2 is 5. Platform for trading method 5, which is commonly for most of us. Leverage 1 to start, so it's just good. You can just start with it, and I'm looking forward to buy this account. And so but they have this offer. Let me just go and apply their code so that this amount of money can be reduced. Okay, they have this code called best year. Let's try to see if this amount will be deducted by using this code. So let's apply. Okay, you can see now that after applying this code of best year, the price has been reduced to up to $11. It means 50% has been deducted from it, so it means it become more affordable to most of the people, and even me. I can just even put like a budget of even $30. Maybe if the first account I lose it, and then I'm gonna try the second account, and then third one until I get funded with them. So you can see, so this is one of the updates I decided to show you. For those who don't know about Equity Age, you can just go to Google and Google and understand them well. So that's it guys. Yep. So yeah guys, my trading week and my trading day started on Wednesday in this week, on around 6th of May 2026. And as you can see, I had 3 consecutive trades, at which two were wins and 1 were loss. So let me just break down the mindset that made me able to take these trades. So let's get started, man. As you can see, around this point we had a very bullish movement. We can say this, we can just name it as a rally. As we can see, this was a very, let me just find an arrow. Oh man, where is that? Okay, let's leave it. We can see this bullish movement, which were so much strong to the upside. And then after that, market did what it used to do each and every day. After rally, we see a correction, or we see something base formation. Then after that, we expect another rally, as we see this here. So whenever you see kind of things like this, if you are, as you know, I'm a scalper trader, and during this point I do look for a short-term movement, like 2 to 3 minutes or 4 minutes trades, 2 to 3 minutes trades, then I'm just out. So you can see this market created this lower low, then created this lower high, and then when come down. So okay, in fact, this was the, let me find where R is. so that to be easy to demonstrate, let me use this. So you can see this is the lower low, this is the lower low, then market went up and did something like this, and then markets come up to clear this liquidity, you see. So and this become a lower low, and then after that market just come down, then created another lower high, and then went for last lower low before a rally, you see. So what we learn here, so that after market taking out this liquidity, at this point, it means that it's going to sell for quite a period of time before the rally. It means that this market will just going to sell for a certain period of time before going to the upside. Why? Because it cleared this high. So after taking this high, and then we saw that it came and cleared this low. Then after taking out this low, it means we are in this correction, and then after that we'll be expecting this market to just continue to go down, because first of all it cleared this high, and then it came down also to clear out this low. Because also there are some of the trading mindset and opportunity and tips saying that market after breaking this, it means this is a kind of it's a change of character, like markets now it's looking to go forward. But yes, it might be that way, but sorry for this. Okay, so it is true for market to break out this and then start looking for bullish trades, but after we didn't see any kind of confirmation for us to take this long, but rather markets came and cleared this. So after taking out this, I was looking just for a sell opportunity. I was looking for sell trades at this point. You can see markets went up and then it went down, then went up and then went down, and then this bullish movement did not clear out this low. So I was just looking to go short during the break of this bullish candlestick, and then after that I entered and waited for 1 2 3 4 minutes trade, and I was risking 1 2. I did really think I exited it at 1:2. I risked 1% to and exit there at 1:2. So I entered a little bit higher, more than this level, but it just gave me 1 to 2. Yeah, okay, so this was the first trade, and then after that I looked for markets instantly, and then I saw okay, market then right now it just went up. Let me just delete this. Went up and then had kind of like you can say market was indecisively like between buyers and sellers, like it's a time for going short or keep on taking this long. Why? Because this was the very great supply zone that sellers were in control at this point. As you can see, it took this market to the downside, but due to this as an decisive level, it means wherever the market's going to go out of that level, it means going to be in a very high speed. Why? Markets just get out of its indecisive zone, a zone where there is a bunch of transaction, a bunch of buyers are buying, a bunch of sellers are selling. So it means the winners are going to you're going to see the winner, and then after the winners will just move in its direction in a very high speed. Why? Because they have been taking too much time in decisively period. So after that we can see markets after seeing like market take out this low and this high of this bullish candlestick. Then I entered. So I entered during this. I was waiting for like this, and then I entered during the after seeing this candlestick engulf all these bodies at this point. So I entered and then also targeted 1:2, and then it was good to go. So then after this, I just got a loss. As you can see, I got a loss because I was looking, okay, this is a bullish. Sometimes it don't matter how much you know, how much you have a knowledge about trading, but sometimes mistakes are there, and you'll be making mistakes, because after taking loss, I was looking at myself, how did I take loss? How did I take loss in this trade? Because the trade, okay, just went up high, and then high low, then it went again high, and then another high low. So I was supposed to enter during the break of this neckline. Let me just sorry. Okay, so I was supposed to enter during this trade confirm a trade entry model. You see something like double pattern. Then after market taking out this high, that was supposed to hit at this point, you can see, and it was very, very straightforward trade. Let's take this out and then for you to see its structure. Sorry, let's take this out so for you can see how the structure looks like. You see something like double pattern, then after break of this neckline, then you enter. But unfortunately I entered still trade, then market take me out, but it was very straightforward trade. Okay, let's take out this so you can see how these markets have been. You see, so it's kind of like a good market structure, so you can learn this market structure to in your another user. So after this Wednesday of 2 wins and 1 loss, and then I just went to think of Friday. Yep. And then on this Friday I got this one entry. As you can see, market was in bullish movement, and then after that market was also in a current kind of correction. You see, was in a correction. Market created this lower low, this lower high, and then this lower low, and then this lower high, and then market created another this lower low. But I think this market and this I think was news. This was news. Was news trade. Was there was news that was happened around this point. Yes, it was around 15:30. I think it was New York State. I mean NFP, something like that. After that, I entered during the break of this candlestick. You can see after this market came down and then went up. After markets failing like to keep on going down, I knew that this market will just go up. Why? Because it just failed to go down. So what I was like looking to, as you can see, this candle just closed indecisively, like in between. The body was small, it means there was weak or upside of each, and there was weak downside of each. It means rejection for the sellers. It means the buyers were strong at this point. So it means I was looking for a bullish trade to take during looking to go bullish after taking the high of after markets taking the high of the next 1 minute candle. So it was good like this, as you can see. It's a 1:2.29 trade. So those were my trades for the week, guys. I think there was 3 wins and 1 loss. So that's it, guys. It was on Monday. I went to town to repair my computer. It has a problem of battery, so the technician was changing the battery to a new one. And then after that I went to buy a gift to one of my mother, a church mother, a church in Christ, brethren in Christ. In our praise team, we have a tendency of buying and giving each other gifts in every after 2 to 3 months. So to me, I was supposed to give one of my mother in our praise team, and I decided to buy that for her. So that's it, guys. That's all about this week. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to this channel, I'd like to ask you to subscribe, and also you can share this video to your friends and people who think they will need to see this video. So see you in the next video.